shiny and red. B is for ball, let's bounce it instead. C is for cat, who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat, that we wear in the heat. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jump, be brave and bold. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, hear his roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest, for birds to sleep. O is for octopus with 8 arms. P is for pig, playing on the farm. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, with colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging day and night. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, let's give it a try. W is for well, swimming so free. X is for xylophone, play a melody. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra, with stripes so proud.